I'm Evie Tyler, and I've been lucky enough to be part of Box Clever Company's touring Romeo and Juliet and Anne in Spectacles. I'm going to do an extract from Prelude by William Wordsworth for you, and some of the themes in the play explore William Wordsworth's own relationship with nature and the importance of nature, where at a time like this, where we're very limited on what we can do, I think we're all rediscovering how important nature is to us. One summer evening, led by her, I found little boats tied to a willow tree within a rocky cove, its usual home. Straight, I unloosed her chain and pushed from the shore. It was an act of stealth and troubled pleasure, nor without the voice of mountain echoes did my boat move on, leaving behind her still, on either side, small circles glittering idly in the moon, until they melted, all into one track of sparkling light. But now, like one who rose, proud of his skill, to reach a chosen point with an unswerving line, I fixed my view upon the summit of a craggy ridge, the horizon's utmost boundary. Far above was nothing but the stars and the grey sky. She was an elfin pinnace. Lustily, I dipped my oars into the silent lake, and as I rose upon the stroke, my boat went heaving through the water like a swan. When from behind that craggy steep, till then the horizon's bound, a huge peak, black and huge, as if with voluntary power instinct, upreared its head. I struck and struck again, but growing still in stature, the grim shape towered up between me and the stars. And still, for so it seemed, with measured motion, a purpose of its own, like a living thing, strode after me. With trembling oars I turned, and through the silent water stole my way back to the covert of the willow tree. There in her mooring place I left my bark, and through the meadows homeward went in grave and serious mood. But after I had seen that spectacle, for many days my brain worked with a dim and undetermined sense of unknown modes of being. O'er my thoughts there hung a darkness, call it solitude or blank desertion. No familiar shapes remained, no pleasant images of trees, of sea or sky, no colours of green fields, but huge and mighty forms that do not live like living men, move slowly through the mind by day, and were a trouble to my dreams.